Okay, so I just want to introduce you to a few instruments that we use for remote examinations via telemedicine. And the first one is a general examination camera. Okay, this is a handheld high-definition camera. It has LED lights inside that you can use to look at lesions or whatever area you're looking at. You can turn off the lights too. If you don't want to use them, you can just turn it off with you can turn it off with these buttons, and you can still use the camera if that's what you want to do. This instrument is USB, so you use plug and play. The brand is Firefly. There are many other brands out there. This is just the one that we use. And basically, the main uses for this is to look at specific areas of the body, examine things like the eye, to look at the conjunctiva up close, to look at the eyelids, and see if there's anything wrong with the eyes. You can also use this to examine the mouth, the oral cavity, look at the pharyngeal area, to rule out things like tonsillitis or foreign objects or stomatitis. You can also look under the tongue and do a general oral examination with this. If someone is complaining of thrush or a lesion that they're afraid or they're concerned that it's cancer, something like that. So you can use this for that sort of examination. The next equipment I want to show you is an electronic otoscope. This is a handheld piece of equipment. It's used to do examinations of the ear. Okay. It's also, this one is Firefly brand, but again, there are many other brands that you can use. It's USB plug and play. It's quick and easy to use. It comes with 4 LED lights, and the camera is in the center. Okay, right there. The specula is disposable, and you can just put it on and take it out. It's pretty simple to use. It has a knob to adjust the definition of the image. It also has a knob that allows you to control the amount of light that you project. Very convenient. And this sort of equipment is very useful in places such as primary care clinics or even school-based telemedicine programs to help assess children with fever and ear pain and rule out infections of the middle ear. With this equipment, you can visualize structures such as the external ear canal to rule out swimmer's ears or otitis externa. The equipment also gives you a magnified view of the tympanic membrane to assess and rule out conditions such as trauma or perforation of the tympanic membrane, effusions, or otitis media. So pretty handy equipment, very easy to use. You can also record videos of this and send them for further evaluation, or you can use it and stream live so the physician can diagnose on the spot. And the last piece of equipment I want to show you is an electronic stethoscope. It's not the usual stethoscope that you see at the clinic. This is called a PCP USB stethoscope. It has a stainless steel body. It's a little bit heavy, and it has a plastic diaphragm to listen. It's plug and play as well. It has a USB port. Basically, I use it for heart, lung, and abdominal auscultations. It has a very nice quality, or the sound is of nice quality. And here are some examples of this stethoscope listening to the heart. So that's the PCP USB electronic stethoscope. As you can see, these are very simple, easy to use instruments that facilitate the remote physical examination via telemedicine. There are other pieces of equipment that you can also find, such as electronic endoscopes for the transmission of things like nasopharyngeal endoscopic examinations, esophageal and stomach examinations, and or colonoscopies. There are also electronic ophthalmoscopes to do examinations of the retina and so forth. I hope this is helpful, and I just wanted to show you some examples of some of these technologies.